Here's standard room frequency at 23.8 millivolts and somewhere between, looks like 100 and below kilohertz, and 200 millivolt scale, 100 microseconds. And this is measuring off of a piece of stainless steel, the frequency and the voltage. Now we're going to show you what an X-ray machine does at a distance. Okay, here, I'm going to do this distance away, and I'm going to show you the voltage carriage of an X-ray compared to all standard light of the window, the heat, all different frequencies, all different sorts of frequencies. That's the standard. This is what an X-ray does.